This is an interesting technique using neutral waxes and bronze wax to create a very, very different look. What you see in front of you is a sample using that technique. Giancarlo begins with a base board that's base coated with Marmorino KS. You can use Carrara Fine, tinted black. The color is 5001 times 3. It's an oxide pigment, and we triple up the pigment so it becomes nice and black. He's allowed it to dry overnight and proceeds to his next step. Please ensure that you allow the KS enough time to dry so that there is no moisture trapped in the plaster. He's now applying a second coat of the same material. Now he's coming back, he allowed that to dry, and he's applying a black wax. Actually, it's neutral wax with some black tint. And we allow that to dry for at least 10 minutes. You can see how easy it spreads. It's just black, neutral wax. Now he's coming back with a neutral wax that was tinted red. And he's using this red wax, and he's applying a coat of this directly on top of the black wax, and then allows that to dry. Now he's allowed that to dry, and allowed to dry well. The finishing touch is Firenze bronze wax, which needs no tint. And Giancarlo applies that directly over the red wax, and what you have is a pretty spectacular finish for accent walls, for something that your client wants that's just a little bit different. You can use your imagination and tint up the waxes with different colors, different combinations of colors, to create your own look. And there you go. Nice finish with 3 waxes.